In this video we will go over how to sync to a Microsoft Exchange account or an Outlook.com account. A written version of this guide is available on our website, linked below. New Outlook uses cloud accounts only, like Exchange or Outlook.com. More information on the differences between new and classic Outlook is in our video in the card. To start, CompanionLink must be installed. You can use our installation guide linked below. To begin, click Settings. On the left-hand side, select Microsoft Exchange, Graph API. If you use the installed version of Outlook, you need to select Microsoft Outlook Local instead. We have videos and guides on how to sync local Outlook. On the right-hand side, you can select whatever you would like to sync Exchange with. This can be DejaCloud, a phone, Google, etc. For this example, we will choose DejaCloud. There will be specific settings for whichever you choose. Check the links below for our setup guides. Let's set up the Exchange side. Click Settings under Exchange. A prompt will open. Log into the desired account here. Once you are signed in, select the folders you would like to sync with. You will also need to set up the other side of the sync. For DejaCloud, you just need to enter your email address and password. For other sync methods, see our setup guides below. Click OK to finish setting up and begin the sync. After the sync is complete, the calendar and contacts are populated in New Outlook. Thanks for watching. Subscribe or watch another video.